This beat is so rich.
Yeah, let's get it. Everybody got that one special female in their life, you feel me? And I think I might have found mine, so I'ma just, let y'all know how I feel. Yeah, little mama, for the first time I saw your deep brown eyes, I fell in love, you knew you was the one. J Big don't want no one other than you. I cherish you, I hold you, I buy you diamonds, anything you ever need, baby, you know I got you, I got you, boo, like 2 peas in a pod. I don't wanna lose you, girl, I love you, you my goddess, my dark chocolate queen. Now baby, please just listen, I know you seen them text messages, but that ain't shit. Don't worry about that bitch, she wasn't nothing, she ain't shit. Now baby, just listen, I'll buy you a car. How about I buy you them diamond earrings you wanted, girl? You don't want shit? Well baby, just listen, you don't want to hear nothing, but I'm just trying to tell you, you my everything, my dark queen, my boo. I do anything, I cherish you, I cherish you, no one comes above you. Now baby, I just wanna say I love you.
I want you shorty cause you got the skills, and you know your boy paying bills, so we riding through the hills, up and down Fruitville Avenue. We ain't popping pills, but we going dumb, driving by mills, and the liquor store, smoking that, you know. When we go on tour, we hitting up Juno. We be doing it big, doing it real good. You know I put in work, I be all up under the hood like the mother niggas can't. In the bed, turn you over, smack it up like Girl, you know I need you. Girl, you know I need you. You the reason why I breathe,
You the reason why I breathe. If I lose you, then that make me dumb. Bitch, please. I'm not stupid, baby, I know what I want. I'm a grown man with goals and you know you the one. So how about we touch down, little mama up ahead. I'ma take you to the Bahamas and show you what I'm all about. I do what I can. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best man. I have faults, I've done some dumb shit. You done put up with me since day one, and I just want you to know that I love you. And I swear to God, nobody comes above you. You my ride or die. You the Glock, I'm the motherfucking bullets. So let's ride, smoke on these cookies and let our minds fly. I don't wanna ever lose you.